Hello again. Well, it looked pretty cold up in Swaledale. It looked quite chilly in the Cotswolds as well, didn't it? And it certainly was pretty cold last night. We had a widespread frost across the British Isles. I think as the week goes on, the extensiveness of the frost will diminish. Now, we are going to have a touch of frost overnight tonight to start off with on the eastern side of Britain, but as the night wears on, well, that frost in the east will disappear and it'll turn up in the west, and there's a very good reason for that. Cloud and rain coming in off the Atlantic. Now, there could be a little bit of sleet and snow up in Scotland and over the Fells and the Pennines for a time, and then by tomorrow we'll find that rain moving out of the way. Skies clearing once again, so a return of frost during Monday night. But then as we go through the rest of the week, I think we're going to find that frost disappearing altogether as milder air comes in from time to time, bringing some wet and windy weather with it too. You can see that happening here. Watch out for the changes in colours on the wind arrows. The milder air showing up as those oranges and yellows, the colder air showing up as blue, and you can see by the time we get to next weekend we'll have the colder conditions back with us. So for the rest of today, a lot of bright weather on the eastern side of Britain, but out to the west the rain moving in. A little bit of sleet and snow over the higher ground of western Scotland, and the winds picking up there as well, with temperatures between about 4 and 8 Celsius across the British Isles this afternoon. Then that cloud and rain overnight tonight, it's all down to this weather system here. That fits nicely into that dip in the isobars. You can see that moving through. And this little bump in the isobars, well, that's a ridge of high pressure moving through for Monday. So the cloud and rain moving into the North Sea and brighter skies coming in from the west. Just 1 or 2 showers scattered up to the northwest for tomorrow. During Tuesday, a weakening area of low pressure will come in off the Atlantic, and then on Wednesday something a bit more substantial moving into the northwest. So for Tuesday that means we're going to find a band of cloud and rather patchy rain moving eastwards across the British Isles, but wet and windy weather for Northern Ireland and Scotland during Wednesday, but the southern half of England and Wales probably staying dry. Then as we go towards the end of the week, we've got another little problem. This waving weather front will gradually get away from southern areas, but just exactly how far north the rain area gets before it moves away is a bit of a problem. At the moment we think probably getting up into Wales, perhaps northern England for a time, a little bit of sleet and snow on its northern edge, but then by the end of the week it should be clearing away to the southeast with somewhat brighter skies coming along, but also some blustery showers, and it will feel cold in those gale force winds.